Newliners, Lauren here. Today, we're going to explore how to import and export PDF files from your Google Drive. Within the Whiteboard app, you're going to look for the 3 horizontal dots in the bottom left-hand corner here. Once you tap on that, you're going to locate and tap on the Document with PDF button, right about halfway down. Once you tap there, you will see a plethora of options for where you can pull in a PDF from. Mine is automatically going to my Google Drive because I am already logged into it. But if you utilize the menu button on the upper left-hand corner, those 3 horizontal lines, it will bring up anywhere that you can pull in a PDF document. Just in case yours is not already selected on Google Drive, you're going to locate your drive that you've already logged into previous to this, tap on it, and it will bring you to your Google Drive. You will then tap on the folder where your PDF is housed. Once you find the PDF you'd like to use, you simply tap on it and it will import into the panel. Once it's in Whiteboard, of course, you can annotate right on top of it, utilizing all of your annotation tools here. So if I'd like to write right on top of mine, right alongside my students, I can do that here with them. Once I'm done, when I want to export it, I'm going to look very close to those 3 horizontal dots to what looks like a QR code down here in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you tap on that, some options will pop up. At this point, you may have quite a few pages of notes, and you may not want to export all of them at once. So if you tap on this drop-down, you can click on Selected Pages. From here, just select the pages that you would like to export. Then, of course, you'll see Export As underneath there. If you tap on that drop-down, you have the options of PNG, JPEG, or PDF. I always choose PDF just because it's universal, but whatever works for you works for me. Then, of course, we'll find the Export button here. That's going to be the blue one on the right-hand side, and tap on that. A few options will pop up here. A QR code will give you the option to scan that, and that will send a PDF version of that document with those notes directly to that device. Underneath there, you have Save to USB. Of course, if you have a USB thumb drive plugged into the front, you can save directly to there as well. But lastly, you're going to see the Share button. That's the last one there on the bottom. When you tap on that, a few things will pop up. Of course, if you have logged into your Google Drive prior to logging into your Whiteboard, you will see Drive right here. Tap on Google Drive, and a few things will pop up. The first one here is the file name. I can change that by tapping on it, and if you do not want to, it is already done and classified as year, month, and date. If you do want to change it, you simply tap on that, erase what's there, and maybe you just want to rename it Science, no problem. You can also tell it where to go. It will automatically go directly to your My Drive folder, but in this case, I have redirected mine to screenshots. Just choose from the drop-down menu, and it will go directly to the folder that you click on. Once you're finished with this, you'll simply click on Save in the upper right-hand corner, and voila! That PDF with whatever notes you added went directly back to your Google Drive. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.